How to fix repost option not showing on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to report or fix repost option not showing on TikTok. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to go ahead and make sure that your app is up to date. The outdated version of application creates different kinds of lags and bugs on TikTok app. So if there is update button available, select update and update it to the latest version. Once done, head towards settings. Scroll down and then you have to open apps. Now select app management and you need to search for TikTok app. Proceed towards the app info section of TikTok and now select storage users. Tap clear cache. Once done, all the glitches regarding TikTok will be deleted. Lastly, restart your device. Sometimes simple restarts on your device can fix different kinds of issues on TikTok. So simply, you need to hold the power button on your device and then swipe towards restart and restart your device. This will help you to fix repost option not showing on TikTok. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.